Buongiorno California, this is Marco from MLL House Tours. Today I'm going to meet my partner Luca. The house is in sale and the price listed is $2,700,000, Huntington Beach. I got all my gears in the trunk and I'll see you inside the video. We're almost here. As you can see, the area gets very nice. Very beautiful area. Gated community with pool. There is everything in this place. This is the gate in. As you can see, everything is very, very clean. Beautiful community. As you can see, the community is very, very nice here. You can walk, really built for family friendly, pet friendly. You can walk, work out. Beautiful area. Beautiful houses. Really made to live here with the family, very calm. And you can see on the left, let's see, Greatpoint, yes.
Welcome to 17361 Greatpoint Cir, Huntington Beach, California. My name is Luca Giani and this is California Home Tours. Follow me. After the door, this house features this little patio, little court with the entrance to the main house, and also we have the entrance of this independent casita with an independent bedroom and bathroom, which is an extra space that could be used for guests. And next to it, there is like a door entrance to one of the two garages. This garage has one space and it could be used as an entrance for the guest that will be living in the casita here. So it's a beautiful independent space with private garage space. The main house. Here, right at the entrance, you have a formal dining room. You have a beautiful chandelier here on top of us. This is the formal dining area with a beautiful table for dinners to entertain guests, plenty of space, chandelier with right at the entrance right here. So it's an independent area from the rest of the living room and the kitchen. And this is one of the biggest space of the house. You know, it connects completely to the kitchen in a beautiful home open space. So you can see the high ceiling has design lighting and surround system all over the house. And in one open space, you have a beautiful kitchen with a marble island, top of the notch finishes, and features beautiful appliances, Samsung KitchenAid for oven, and the whole house has designer lighting. This house is on 2 floors and it's a massive house because it's 4,284 square feet of living room. It's located at on a cul-de-sac in Bridgewater, community of Bridgewater in Huntington Beach, the very end of Huntington Beach. We're very close to Tricca Park, a beautiful natural reserve, and we're very like 10 minutes walk from the beach. Beautiful beach of Huntington Beach, California. We're on the border with Seal Beach, so we're like in one of the most beautiful coastal area of California. The big window in front of the kitchen, and now you can see this indoor-outdoor floor. Here we are in a patio, private patio, still features designer lighting and surround system. We got a fireplace, screen, a beautiful built-in barbecue with a sink. It's perfect for parents because in the rest of the backyard you have a beautiful private space right here, very private. And if you follow me here in the back, you'll be connected to the garage, the 2-car garage, and there is like an independent exit and entrance to the backyard. The space, it's perfect and beautiful for kids, private, where you can relax in the patio while taking a look at your family. You can see the flow, it's really like open space. The whole area here, it's a beautiful large space connected to the outdoor, so it's an amazing entertain space. So this is a surround system with a huge screen projector, surround system, couch, and you got the corner also for popcorn. So this is a beautiful entertain space. You got also some billboards from movies. It feels like a movie theater in your own home. And just right after here, you got the half bathroom, the only half bathroom of the house. There's also here some space for storage that is always useful. Follow me, we're gonna check out the second floor of the house. From here you can see the beautiful chandelier that dominates the high ceiling here at the entrance. We got here first bonus room, bonus/living room, and it's very spacey here, so open. And now we're gonna check out the 2-bedroom right here. This is one of the several bedrooms that are located in the second floor. And you can see it's staged perfectly here. We got a in-suite bedroom. Pretty big closet. Now we're gonna go to check out this bedroom. It features a small corner here with a table, chair, that it's like a mini office. We have a en-suite bathroom with shower, and a walk-in closet. Walk-in closet is pretty big, but you're gonna see later in the master bathroom what kind of space we have as a walk-in closet. We're gonna check out another space of the second floor, which is the laundry room. Laundry room with plenty of cabinets, washer, dryer. It's amazing. Hardwood floors. There's a tons of space for storage. And we're gonna turn into the 3rd bedroom. Same as the other one. Beautiful space, perfectly staged, big. And also we have here another built-in bathroom and a walk-in closet also. focal points of the house, which is the master bedroom and master bathroom. As you can see, super big space, big windows, ton of lights, and as the other one is beautifully staged. As you can see on the ceiling, we have like surround system all over the house. The house is connected all through Nest system, so you can regulate temperature, air conditioning, heating through a station all over the house. And now we can check out the beautiful master bedroom. We got a treadmill here, so we got space to work out in the morning. Beautiful vanity space for him, hers. Plenty of space in the cabinets. Very big, spacious hot tub here that dominate the room. And next to that, a beautiful, super spacious walk-in closet with an independent island with cabinets and space. This is a dream for any woman that wants to buy a house. And this is it for the second floor. Second floor that features 4 bedroom, 4 bathroom, a bonus room slash living space, laundry room, and it's, as you can see, a beautiful space just as you get off the stairs. And here we have a room that is staged like a bedroom, but could be used as an office or a playroom for kids. This is located at the first floor of the property, so it's the only space that it could be used as a bedroom in the first floor. And this is part of the Nest system. It's the other station that connects the whole house through the smartphone. So you can control like air conditioning, heating system, temperature through your phone, and you have an independent station here and one upstairs. And now we're moving here to show you this casita, which is independent from all the rest of the house. Follow me here, and it's independent entrance with a built-in closet, pretty spacious, and features a nice bathroom with a double sink, a beautiful shower right here. And here next to the casita, there is the entrance of the second garage. It's a one garage space with independent entrance with windows, so it can be used for different type of purposes. And now this is the first garage of the property. It's a 2-car garage with lots of space in the cabinets for anything you want to use for. It's a beautiful space.
Hi guys, this is Marco Tricca, and with my partner Luca Giani we wanna thank you for watching this video. In this channel MLL California House Tours We are trying to give you more information possible. We're gonna post one time per week about the houses. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel if you like what we are doing. Don't forget to click on the bell so you're gonna be notified for every time we post a new video. And don't forget, please, very important, to click on the like button because it's gonna help us a lot with the YouTube algorithm. Okay, thank you so much, and I'll see you next video. Bye.